going on, guys, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. So today, man, y'all gotta see the title of this video. So I do have a few issues with the truck, nothing major though. Got a few things I'm about to work on, trying to fix right now. I mean, I guess you can kind of say I kind of clickbait y'all, but at the same time, not really. One of them is actually a recall, so I gotta take that to the dealership. It's been like this for a minute. I just haven't took it up there for some reason. I don't know why. I just been managing without. But I'm gonna go over that with y'all and just talk about a few other things. So one of the things I'm gonna fix today is, as I mentioned in one of my other videos, my cargo light, the one on the left side, is out right now. So LASFIT, they sent me some bulbs, actually probably about like a month or two ago. I just haven't got around to do it. And LASFIT sent me some H7 bulbs for my low beams is actually out, so I'm about to change that out. So dang bug. So I'm gonna have to change that out, fix that real quick. With Ford, man, I hate that you have to go in up under the fender and do all this extra curricular type shit. Go up under here and take all this out. So that's what's on the agenda today. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. LASFIT actually sent the wrong light bulb. I didn't tell them which one it was. I meant to tell them it was the bright white, the ones I needed. They sent the one with the red, so I gotta get in contact with them, let them know that they sent the red instead of the bright white. So, but I'll get another one of those later. I do got the low beams that I got to switch out, but man, it's hot as hell out here today. I don't know if I'm gonna do that right now. I might come back out here later on in the evening. So the main reason of this video, basically, I've been having a few issues with the truck. Not really necessarily issues with the truck, but some stuff. One thing is a recall that I have an issue with right now. Is actually working pretty good. I have the freezing door latch recall. Been having an issue. It's actually been going on for quite some time now, for a few months. So yeah, let me lock the door so you can see how it actually gonna do this time. Like, oh damn, see, it's actually working now that I'm making the video on this shit. Crazy. Usually when I come up to the door, it don't even work. I have to keep pressing the lock button and try and time it to when it opens. But if you ever seen the issue, man, you guys know. I'm pretty sure some of you who have dealt with it, you see like it won't actually come all the way up to the top. So this is, like I said, this has been going on for a few months now. There it is, see? There you go. Now it works. You usually have to keep pressing it and pressing it, but it actually works. So that's one of the issues that I'm having with the truck so far right now. It's not, you know what I'm saying? It's not nothing big. It's not a big deal for me because it's something that I could actually work around and do it. But I just haven't really had the time or wanted to take the time to actually take it to the dealership, to be honest. The other issue is, man, this shit just happened. So the sliding window, look at this. That's crazy. So that's something that's actually a common issue with these trucks. I'll have to figure out a way I'm gonna fix it. I don't know yet. I might take it to the dealership or see if I can do it myself. We will see. I'm not even sure yet. So yeah, man, I just kind of had to. So I'm not sure what's going on with that sliding window. Hopefully we can get that thing figured out soon, cause like I say, it's a pretty common issue with these trucks. But that's really like the only issues I've had with the truck. Like door and the sliding window. Like sliding rear window, that just happened like because I was watching the truck and I was cleaning the windows back there, and that's when I first saw it. So you can hear about that dangling. I get a lot of questions on Instagram and people comment on, like, you know, some of these YouTube videos, and they ask me have I had any issues with this truck. Man, this truck has been perfectly fine, other than this recall that I got going on, and the sliding window, man, that definitely should be a damn recall itself. The guy who actually did my powder coat, he was detailing my truck one day, and he was telling me about that, but I was like, I ain't never heard nothing about it, because at the time, you know, I'm freshly new to all this with the truck and everything. So at the time, I didn't know anything about it, know what was going on, or hear anything about that in particular. So he was telling me about it, and I was like, well, shit, hope that don't happen to me. And look at us now. God. So yeah, so obviously it's a pretty common thing, and like I said, I've seen quite a few videos that talked about it, and so a couple people, other people had the issue as well. So I guess if you have that, well, any type of F-150 with that rear sliding window, you just have to be aware of that. That's like I guess that's one of the issues that you'll run into if you have one of these trucks. Specifically, I've seen it with the 15 to 17, because the guy who did my powder coat and detailed my truck, that's what he had, a 15, 17, one of them years, that model. But I don't know about with the 18 and 20s and the years after that. So but yeah, man, that's all I pretty much, this video is about, man. I ain't, like I said, it ain't nothing serious. But anyway, guys, man, that's gonna conclude my video for today. Make sure you go ahead and like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will catch y'all on the next one.